Hey Google, say hi.
Hi there.
Let's begin.
Hi there, it's Indranil Tiwari and it's been a long time, but I'm back. Who am I? So I am a designer, a developer and an engineer. Basically, I am a software engineer, full stack developer who is also into product design. So what does that mean is basically I have been into UI UX, I have some sense of designing, and I really love to build products, digital wonders if you may. So that's what we are going to do. So why this channel is because I have learned a lot from YouTube and the internet. So today internet is having immense resources, but everything is jumbled around. There are some places where you can get a good course list, but it's paid mostly. But yeah, you can find things, and I want to contribute back. So what this channel is going to be about is basically we are going to learn product design and mostly building your portfolio. I know there are a lot of engineers going around, but if you are passionate and something is stopping you, I would treat me as your elder brother. I would make sure that you have the best experience, even though if you're not working somewhere. The thing is that you don't need to go for n number of places. It's just about being true to yourself. That's where your passion lies. You need to be there. So the thing is very simple, that just start off. Don't wait for something. So I am just going to help you build products that would be mostly from design to development to deployment. We are going to make some open source projects. That's what I plan, and I am also going to share my life experiences if that would help you in the long run. So I hope to meet you on the other side, and I also promise through this video that I would at least try to make set of videos that I have lined up and mostly help you. Drop down in the comment if you have anything that you want, any experience or any questions that you think that I can help you with. Hopefully we would go a long way. Peace.
I can fly.